Hi everyone, I am Ayu. Currently, I am in Muaro Jambi Temple, one of the historical sites located in Muaro Sebo, Muaro Jambi, Jambi, precisely located on the banks of the Batanghari rivers, about 26 kilometers east of Jambi city. Calm, peaceful, integrated with nature. That I felt the first time I set foot in the Kedaton Temple. Kedaton Temple was one of dozens of temples spread over 7.5 kilometers along the Batanghari River. Surprisingly, there are still many who do not know this place. Muaro Jambi Temple, the largest temple area in Southeast Asia. It is many times wider than the Borobudur Temple area. Muaro Jambi Temple consists of 11 main temples. The Muaro Jambi Temple complex was first reported in 1824 by an England soldier named Isigro. From the 6th until 13th centuries, Muaro Jambi Temple served as a center of worship and education. In 672, Ichimong, a student monk from China, made first trip and stopped at Muaro Jambi Temple for 6 months. He studied Sanskrit, then he continued his journey to Nalanda. Nalanda is a famous Buddhist university located in North India. Then he studied there for 12 years. After then he returned to Muaro Jambi Temple and lived here for 10 years. He studied with a teacher named Sakya Kirti, and here he translated the teachings he got from India into Mandarin, and then brought to China. According to I Ching record, there are 5 faculties called Panchavidya, 5 things that we learned when it was an education center, were about Buddhism, about philosophy, about art, about language, and about health science. Once a sacred destination for Buddhist worship as well as a center of knowledge that attracts wise people in China and India. The Muaro Jambi Temple is now a magnet from Buddhists in various countries. Muaro Jambi Temple is not only a tourist attraction or historical site, but also as a source of inspiration and a source of thought. This site is indeed special, more than just a destination for a weekend vacation. There is a historical content that is inherent and inseparable. Myths are also preserved in the community, around one of which is about this well. It is said that tasting the well water can make you stay young. The things that is offered by the Muaro Jambi Temple when we visit there is the first experience. The environmental arrangement in the Muaro Jambi Temple area is designed not like a park, but is designed as similar as possible to the original. If we look at the path, it's not paved but use rubber, so it is not visible but safe for walking and cycling. Because the concept of red here is quiet according to its function, namely worship center and education center. I feel that silence here is form of comfort that is getting more and more difficult for us to get, like a roof to shelter from the noise of the city, from the hustle and bustle of Argan of Pairs. Muaro Jambi Temple is more than this ordinary temple. It is like a time tunnel to reading about the Indonesia. I'm very happy to be able to visit Muaro Jambi Temple. This temple is very full of history. Many people don't know about Muaro Jambi Temple. I hope that in the future many people will know about Muaro Jambi Temple. If you want to visit the Muaro Jambi Temple, obey all the existing rules and don't forget to keep the temple clean so that it can be useful for future generation. That's all my video on Muaro Jambi Temple. See you next time.